Hi guys. So, didn't have a video planned today, so I'm just going to drop in and let you guys know what my plans are for the month of July, cosplay wise. So, this is my plan. It's Friday. This weekend I'm going to finally get pictures of my Iron Man cosplay. I'll have a whole set on here, and I'll probably post like 2 on Instagram. And I really want to get this done. I've literally the past 2 weeks I have been wanting to do this, but last weekend I was hanging out with my family, and the week before, like during that week, I'm just too busy during the week writing and doing my job, so I can only get minimal cosplay stuff done, which means I don't have time to do like a full photo shoot and stuff. Anyway, I'm doing that this weekend, and I'm also going to start on my first ebook, which is going to be armor for Iron Spider, which I have this suit. I have a review of that suit from Zintai or Zintia Zone, whatever it's called, on my YouTube channel, which is free. Everybody can watch it. But I want to really add on to it, so I'm going to do maybe the shoulder pieces. I'm at least going to do like the little wrist spider web shooter things, and then the legs, and they're going to be magnetic legs so that you can take them off if you're at a convention, and and they'll just be the big golden ones. I think I'm going to do it based off of the one from not Endgame, the one before the Infinity War. There's another version of his spider legs that I've seen. Actually, there's multiple versions. But I think I'm going to stick with the pure gold ones, maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think I should do? I'll post some pictures of what my plans are. But yeah, that's going to be my ebook for this month. And I'm going to have a tutorial probably on both the legs and the wrist things. So I'm going to get started on that this weekend and work on it slowly throughout the week. I really want it to be done in a week from now. In my mind, it won't take that long. And I don't think it's going to be hard, but I always think that, and then it ends up being difficult. So yeah, that's my plans for this weekend. It's July 12th. So I'm going to take pictures of my Iron Woman and get that out finally, and start working on Iron Spider. And then I think next weekend I am going to finish Iron Spider, and I'm going to do some photo shoots, one for my Mary Jane cosplay, and then maybe some more like 90s cosplay side-by-sides. And I'm hoping to start posting once a week on Instagram. And then, yeah. Also today, I am putting out my Leah Thompson interview. It's going to be edited, so anyone who's on here has already seen it because I posted the entire thing. But I'm going to share that and let her see it and everything. And I'm going to email her manager and thank her for letting me interview her and stuff. So I'm sure she'll see it, which is nice. She was super sweet. She was very distracted, if you couldn't tell, because she was starting to get a line while we were filming. So I literally had like five minutes to film, which is why it's so short, but it was such a great opportunity. Anyway, I'm getting off track. But if you guys want to see a video on like how that happened, we'll do that. Yeah, so those are my plans. Finally do Iron Woman, Iron Spider photo shoots with Mary Jane Watson spider suit and some 90s cosplays, so yay. But sorry, today's video is a little bit boring, but let me know what else you want to see.